Hey guys, David here. Are you a busy builder? No one's got time to price, but we've thought about it. If we did 70% of the hard work and gave you the broken down templates and or spreadsheets where you can input your own numbers and your own rates for your jobs, we thought this would be an absolute hit, so that's what we're going to do. Decks is our first template. That's probably one of the most common jobs for one-man gang builders, three-man gang builders going out on their own. Decks are easy jobs, they're easy to price and they're low risk. So what we've broken out is all the labour components from first site visit, dig post holes right through to structure, lay decking, screw off your decking, site tidy up, defects, extras. All your material components, you'll just have to go through and change what decking you're using, whether you're using a 90mm pine or a 140 hardwood. And then the post dimensions as well, whether it's a deck at heights or a deck low to the ground, you can reset your rates from a 900mm post to a 3.6 metre post. And then your subtrade costs as well, whether you're using a concrete pump, you're going to pour it yourself, put bags in the hole, rubbish removal and your vehicle fees. Bathrooms is the next one, probably one of the most next common jobs. They recommend in New Zealand that bathrooms get updated anywhere from every 10 to 15 years, so it's a constant repeat of work. Once again, we're going to have all the labour components broken out, all your materials broken out and all your sub-trades. In your bathrooms, they're very sub-trade heavy. Plumbers, sparkies, plasterers, painters, flooring, you're going to choose between your tiles, your laminate floor or your lino flooring. All your materials we've allowed for in our template a 1x1 square liner box shower, a wall hung vanity, standard extractor fan, so we've allowed building labour, all of our materials and our sub-trades for the bathroom template. And last but not least, we're going to provide a spreadsheet for new builds as well, all the way from foundations through to final finishings. So with the labour, you're going to have a breakout for foundation, framing, cladding, aluminium joinery install, insulation, shower fit-offs, skirtings, arcs. We're going to have all the templates broken out. For materials, we're also going to have all the materials itemised out, right from foundation, pre-nail frame and truss, roofing components, cladding, interior fit out, all your interior items. Sub-trades again, very heavy on the sub-trades for a new build. All your items from concrete pump and concrete lay in the foundations, right through to plaster, paint, final finish and commercial clean out. New builds are definitely the biggest spreadsheet. This is where we put a lot of work. There's a lot of changes that can happen in these spreadsheets, but we're giving you 70% of the items there that you need to complete a new build. So if you're a builder and you want to start pricing your own projects, hit the link below and that will give you full access to the 3 most common jobs that we're pricing all the time: decks, bathrooms and new builds. And now you can start pricing your own projects from home.